Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Today I have the Glossybox December box for you guys. This is just their regular December box. As always, this is a PR box. I also have links and coupon codes down below if you're interested in subscribing and saving some money. If you're new to my channel, my name is Meli and you can subscribe hitting that red button. And also I have my social media down below. If you have any questions or anything like that, that's the fastest way to get to me is through Instagram. I also share makeup videos and things like that over there if you're interested. So let's go ahead and jump in. And I always say this about Glossybox. Look at this. Oh God, this is so cute. It says the best time of the year. Their boxes are so freaking adorable, to the point that I feel like you could actually use them to give back to someone, like as a gift and stuff. Like, this is so cute. I think I'm actually going to use this to put gifts in and give to someone, because that is not cute. Like, it says the best time of the year. You put like a little bow right here in the corner and it's done. So super cute packaging. They are stunner when it comes to their boxes. I just fall in love with them each and every time. And then when you open it up, of course, they have the little pamphlet and the little ribbon there. So cute. And then the little ribbon actually says the best time of the year. So super cute. I could actually just use the ribbon and like tie the gifts in there. I think that that's what I'm gonna do. So it's the best time of the year. Yay! I love Christmas. Let me know, what's your favorite holiday? I am a sucker for Halloween and Christmas. Those are like my two ride or dies. And let's go ahead and jump in. So first thing in here is the Nude Sticks full size gel colored lip and cheek balm in the shade Posh. I want to say that I already own this. Let me check my collection real quick. Okay, so I do own quite a bit of Nude Sticks, but not that color. So I am going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys, because sometimes if I have something extra, what I do is I go ahead and put it in giveaways for you guys and that sort of thing. So this is what Posh looks like, and we'll go ahead and swatch. Oh, that's pretty. That's just like a beautiful metallic-y, like kind of everyday nude. Very beautiful, just very glossy. And this is worth $26, and you can actually use this on your cheeks as well. You can just like swipe it on your cheek and blend it in. It's kind of like a cream. So you would want to do this before powder, just because this is very sticky, but that's kind of like the shade that you would get. Next thing in here is a coffee scrub, and this is just to revitalize your skin. This is worth $15, and this is what it looks like. I love that they are starting to do these little packets with resealable, so you could actually like use a little bit, close it back up, which is very nice, because a lot of times you feel like, even if it's a lot and you don't want to just leave this in your shower, you know, all open, you feel like the need to use it all. So this is a great way of actually being able to use it and then be able to store it again. So this is an exfoliator. It's supposed to give you really smooth skin, and it says that a coffee scrub helps with uneven skin breakouts and also stretch marks. So we shall see. I don't think it has any kind of smell to it. Oh, it smells like almonds. That's what it says. Then it's the Youth to the People Deluxe Mini Deep Moisture Cream. Oh, I'm so excited. I have heard so much about this brand, Youth to the People. They're in Sephora. I've heard so many great things, especially about their cleanser. It's like a kale cleanser. And let's go ahead and smell this. Okay, so it doesn't have any smell, which skincare is not supposed to have a smell, even though I actually like skincare to have smell. But this is a moisturizer for all skin types, and it says that this is worth $18. It's supposed to have plant extracts and peptide complex to help with hydration and not clog the... I can't talk. It's supposed to have hydration and also not clog your pores. I'm so excited for that one. Very always curious about new skincare. Next thing in here is the Christophe Robin. This was also in their limited edition Christmas one. So this has sea salt and it's a scrub for your scalp. This you put in your hair in place of shampoo, and then you rinse and use a conditioner. So this is $8.48. It's a deluxe size, and basically it's supposed to restore balance to your scalp and is supposed to be a scrub for it. So it says it's amazing for cleansing, removing buildup, flakiness, and soothing sensitivity. So wow, that's really cool. So I think I might give this to a friend of mine who has like issues with her scalp, because I really don't have issues with my scalp. I have incorporated their, I have tried their volumizing one that came in the limited edition one from Christoph Robin, and I really enjoyed it. It's something that you have to like wash into your hair and then wash out. But this, I don't think that I would really use that much. So I think I might just give this to a friend who has actually scalp issues, and that's what it's made for. Next thing in here is the Glow Smoothing Coconut Bio Cellulose Eye Mask. Why can't I talk this morning? And this is $6. I love these masks. I'm always using them. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm always looking like a crazy person with different masks or eye mask. These are a must always. This is worth $6, and this one kind of looks like a little what's it called, like a superhero mask. I've tried a few of these and my son goes crazy. Like, he is all about superheroes right now, and he thinks that I am the coolest when I wear these. So yeah, we'll definitely be using that. And then the last thing in here is the lavender foot mask. It's refreshing and relaxing. So basically it's like a little sock that you put in your on your feet and leave them there for 20 minutes and then you throw away. This is supposed to, what does it say? It's a foot mask, and it's supposed to have like, what is it? It doesn't say anything about, it says just to help with fatigue, skin, and cuticles. My feet really need some loving. I haven't been to a pedicure in like forever because of COVID. So yeah, so this would be really nice. I wish that it like peeled my skin too. So so we shall see if it does or doesn't, or if it's just like to moisturize and relax your feet. But that is all for this month. I will put the total value around here. Let me know what your thoughts are on the box. Are you subscribed? Are you excited? I'd love to hear from you down below. And yeah, lots of good little goodies in here. I have to say I'm most excited about the nude stick and the youth apparently I can't even say their name, you to the people. So yeah, so that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, I'd love to have you stick around and subscribe. I do a lot of unboxings here, reviews, beauty videos, and also you can follow me on my social media on my Instagram down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.